Iterating each character in a string using Python. How can I iterate over a string in Python? Get each character from the string, one at a time, each time through a loop.
As Johannes pointed out, you can iterate pretty much anything in Python using the for loop construct. For example, openFile.text returns a file object, and opens the file. Iterating over it iterates over lines in that file. If that seems like magic, well it kinda is, but the idea behind it is really simple. There's a simple iterator protocol that can be applied to any kind of object to make the for loop work on it. Simply implement an iterator that defines a next method, and implement an _iter_ method on a class to make it iterable. The _iter_ of course, should return an iterator object, that is, an object that defines next. See official documentation.
If you need access to the index as you iterate through the string, use enumerate.
Even easier.
Just to make a more comprehensive answer, the C way of iterating over a string can apply in Python, if you really want to force a square peg into a round hole. But then again, why do that when strings are inherently iterable?
Well, you can also do something interesting like this and do your job by using for loop. Answer is MR_SURYAA. However, since range create a list of the values which is sequence, thus you can directly use the name. This also produces the same result and also looks better and works with any sequence like list, tuple, and dictionary. We have used two built-in functions, bifs in Python community. 1. Range. Range bif is used to create indexes example. 2. Len. Len bif is used to find out the length of given string.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.